So hey, what's up you guys? It is TJ and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while since I put up a video. I think it's been about 1, 2, 3, about 4 months since I put up a video update about my dreadlock experience. But I just wanted to take some time for my hair to grow and for me to really experience them and to get well adjusted and well acquainted with them and just to let them just take a life of their own. So that's the reason why it took so long, and that's the reason why it took so long for filming another video. But this is my 4-month update. As you guys can see, they have grown since the last video. I'm able to put them up in a style. I'm able to put them up in a ponytail. I just took out of style just a few days ago because my head was it was itching and I couldn't take it. I tried. I only paid $20, so the style lasted. I tried to go a whole week, but day 5, I was like, I couldn't take it. I took it out. So with me taking it out, the stylist that did the style, she wrapped my hair. I can't tell her secret. She did something that made a dreadlock come out while I was taking out my hair. So later on in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a dreadlock extension and to actually, I don't want to attach the one that I had put in my head because it was a wrap lock and it kind of gets expensive going back to a loctician to repair the lock and put it back on. So I decided to buy the hair myself and to put it on. And so far, none of the ones that I have reattached to my hair or the ones that I made and attached to my hair have fallen out. So I'm gonna show you guys how to create a lock extension. All right, but so far so good. I went through all the stages. I went through the ugly stage. I've had just about 2 professional retwist wash. Right now, I have buildup on my locks, and it's because my dreadlocks are bigger than average dreads, and I love the size of my dreads. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to do a detox. Basically, I think it's called like how you say it, an apple cider vinegar type detox. So I'm gonna do that on my hair next month. But everything is good. There are a few products that I have been using on a consistent basis. Every morning, I spray this on my hair just to wake up my locks. And basically, it's a mist. It's basically just regular oil, Dollar Tree oil. And I fill it halfway. Then I put water in it. And it basically just sprays like a mist. If you guys can see that, you know. Every night. I haven't been doing it since I got my retwist because I've learned that when I put this in my hair, like my hair tend to unravel. You guys excuse my dog, but I put this on my hair every night or my scalp, and this has been working wonders. Like my hair has been growing. Last but not least, this is the product that I use to, I guess, just to spray on my locks, just to keep them shiny and not dried out. Everything else been working out okay. I am in my 30s. So I am experiencing balding. I knew that before I went into the Dredloc Journey. So I did buy some castor oil and I just spray up here, you know, just to prevent, you know, hair falling out, or I don't want my hairline receding. So I just spray this just to prevent that. When I'm home, I keep my hair wrapped. I keep the cap on or do-rag, and I do sleep it with a do-rag at night, but when I'm home, just lying around, I just put this thing on. It's cool, it's relaxed. It's not as tight as a do-rag, but hey, it gets the job done. Also, I got tons and tons of these for the shower. So these work great too as well. And I had these when I actually had my starter locks too. So I bought these probably about 4 months ago. Yeah, 4 months ago, August. So, and I still have like tons of them. So they work. Other than that, everything's going good. I have no questions people think that it's my real hair, and family members and friends that I haven't seen in a while, they're like, "Oh my God, your hair grew!" And I'm like, "Oh, if you only knew." And I get questions. I get asked all the time, "How long did it take for me to grow my locks out?" People don't know that it only took like 4 hours. But other than that, so far so good, you guys. Like I stated in the other video, I only paid probably about $4.50 to get this done, so it's worth it. I only had probably about 5 slips, and it's been probably me because I work out a lot, and I put my hair in ponytails a lot because I don't like the hair on my neck and stuff, or I don't like them in my face. So that's that. And the prices do range from, I think, from $300 all the way up to like $1,500. That is it, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do this lock extension. All right. Okay, so what's up, you guys? So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to make a permanent dreadlock extension. All right. So you guys, please excuse my house. I have a dog, so he loves to play and mess up everything, and I just didn't feel like cleaning it up today. But this is one that I made, if you guys can see it. I think it's like 4 inches. It's actually the first one I ever made because I just wanted to try it out. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make a lock extension. What you'll need is one of these, and I bought this from Amazon, and it is I forgot what you call it. It's a crochet needle, but as you guys can see, it's 2 needles on it. My stylist or my loctician, she used this kind, and I bought several other ones from like Michael's or something like that, and it just didn't work out. But this one, it works perfectly. As you guys can see, let me see if you guys can see it, but it is 0.75 millimeter, and it works great. You're also gonna need like a bundle of hair. Now I think I only paid like $15 for this. I went to some site. Yeah, it's called Afro Kinky Bulk, and it's 8 inches, and this is the 1B. And I don't know the name of the company. I think it's called Premium Now. I'll show it to you. Premium Now, and it's good. So let's go ahead and get into it. So what I do is I take like a little piece like this, and I just pull it, try to see where it meets like this, and I just pull it out like this. And how I learned was YouTube videos, so I'm putting up a YouTube video about making a dreadlock extension just like the other guys. So I just pull it like this, you know, get some type of form, roll it. And then what I found that is also great, like once you pull it out, once you formed it, you just take it and you interlock it. And that just to give you some type of roadmap, you know, a blueprint to follow. So I just take it like this and just interlock it like such. And it looked like a little keychain or some type of chain, but it does help. Alright, and then what I do is I just smush it, palm roll it as much as I can. And I'm making a tiny dread, so it's not going to be as thick. Then I bunch up the end like this, as you guys can see. Let me move this closer. You guys can see I'm just bunching up the end like this. I'm a little nervous because this is like the 3rd one I've done, and to do it in front of people is nerve-wracking, but just take it, make a little ball like that. Alright, then what you're going to do is you're going to take the needle and you're just going to go in and out, like that, in and out. Twist it, in and out. I used to do it the other way, where you go like this, but that just cause more work. So I just go in and out, and it works a lot better, and it works faster to me. And there you have it. It's the start of the dread. You guys can see it. And so what I do is I just clean that up like this. And so once I've created the end of the dread, I just move down just a little bit. Twist. And just go in and out. And it's not really hard. I thought it would be really hard, but it's not. You just take it, smush it through your fingers, go in and out, like that. Twist it again, in and out. All right. And you just keep going down, in and out. You see that? In and out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish this up because I don't want to just sit here. And it's only going to take like probably about 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes to actually get finished with this. So I'll come back, let you guys see the end result, okay? Ta-da! There you have it, a finished dreadlock extension. So I left this part out. So all I have to do is attach it to my hair, and I'm gonna cut this in because you don't want to have all this hanging out, you know. So I'm gonna cut like all the way down to here, and then I'm gonna attach it. And all you just do is take this and you put it back there, and you do a little tugging, just how you put this lock together. That's how you're going to attach it to your dreadlock. Okay, I'm not going to do it tonight or for a while because, as you guys can see, I got the crinkle thing going on right now, so I'm gonna wear this for a couple more days. Then once it's straight again, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my head. All right, and that is it, you guys. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. I can answer them. So that is it, you guys. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. I'm TJ. All right.